What if I told you there's a completely free way to stream your pre-recorded video 24 hours on YouTube? And it took my Bible prayer channel from 60 subscribers to over 1,600 subscribers. I'm going to show you the exact app I used and walk you through how to set it up, step by step, even if you've never live streamed before. So if you've been wanting to grow your channel, stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. Let's go to my screen.
So you go to your Play Store and search Prism Live. It's the first one that will come out. Look at the icon. So you will click on install. Then when you finish installing the app, you're going to open it. So you will sign in with your Google account. You click for Google account of your choice. Then you allow it to load. You click on terms and conditions. You agree with it. At least I'm 14 years old. You click on it. So you allow, it takes time to load. You allow it to load. You also click on allowed. If you like, you can click for notification or you skip it. So you allow it to synchronize with your Google account. You cancel these adverts that want to pop up. So you go to your settings, your phone settings, scroll down, you click on app management, you click on app list. You scroll down, then you click on the Prism app in your phone settings. Then we'll allow permission. You allow permission for camera, allow permission for microphone. You also allow permission for audio. Alright, so you go to display over other apps. You are going to allow it. You click on it. So you go back to the allow option and allow photos and videos as well. After that, so we are going back to the Prism app. We go back to the Prism app. Okay, now we click on ready. We are going to connect our YouTube channel to this new account. You click on the YouTube icon, click on connect YouTube. So you sign in with the email account you use for your YouTube account. Click on next. You put the password, put your password. Please subscribe to my channel while we are putting our password, okay? So after putting the password, you click on next. Allow it to load. So we scroll down, click on continue. Manage YouTube account, you click on it, okay? You click on it and then click on continue. Alright, now our YouTube account is connected. So look at it here. So you are going to click on this icon to put your title, the title of your live stream. You put the title here, put a thumbnail. I've put my thumbnail. So these are the settings: schedule, public, not meant for kids, category. So you do all those things. I will set my own, not meant for kids, category, people and blog, depending on your own category, okay? So here it says stream latency. You select the one you want depending on the type of data you want. Normal latency takes enough data and is the best. So you are about to, for you to put your video, you have to swipe right. You see the way I did it? You swipe right, then click on media. Then you select photos and videos. Then I already have my own video here. I'm going to click on it. Then I'll click on the loop icon so that it will play for many hours as possible. Make sure the loop option is highlighted. Then this is it. If this helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who needs to hear it. And if you are new here, I post content like this every week. So make sure you have subscribed and have your notification bell on so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment. Let me know if you are going to try this. I read every single one. Until next time. Bye.